Yo, what is up, everybody? It is Thursday, February 13th. I told you guys if you didn't see me the last 2 days, you would see me today. I took one trade. It was a W. This is going to be a very quick trade recap. I want to keep it easy. And before we get into it, if you want to trade live with me every single day and take the same trades that I do, my entries, my exits, live on stream, hear my reasoning for entering, my reasoning for exiting, and just see how I use this powerful indicator every single day, the link for that is going to be the very first link in the description down below. And if you just want access to this indicator, that'll be the second link down below as well. So today was honestly a weird day price action wise. I mean, to be honest, I didn't really expect too much. We had Powell testifying the last 2 days, and today we had Trump speaking that was tentative, so we really had to be careful with the market and just how rocky it was. But overall, at the open, as you can see, we had a lot of levels nearby price. We kind of created a little opening range, but really what I was focused on my left, this is ES, on my right, this is NQ, but on my left, I was really focused on ES, this 1589 level. Now, as usual, if you're not familiar with this indicator or how I trade this strategy, if I see a large level like this, like compare this to the rest. We got a 105 level, we got a 22, we got a 54, we got a 54 level, a 189 level, but obviously this is the one that stands out. Now, as I've told y'all before, double digit levels will be of the same kind of strength, and then we have triple digit levels, which are obviously stronger. But now when you see a 4-digit level, not only is that rare on the 1 minute time frame, but that's something that tells you to pay very, very close attention. So really my plan was simple. I was just gonna wait for price to tap this 1589 level. Now, I didn't set a limit order, although it was a smaller level. I could have set a limit order, but for me lately, I've just been watching price as we get into a level, watching for a rejection, watching for that price level to be validated. And to be completely honest, y'all about to see right here, we in replay mode, but y'all about to see right there, this candle caught me super off guard, came out of nowhere. We were just trading like normal, and then we just had a sharp spike in volume, which took us into this level. Now, honestly, the time was pretty good because I got a pretty good feel right here just after we kind of rejected, kind of got that selling wick. So I entered in shorts right here. I had my stop loss set, then I had my take profit 1, 2, and 3. Now, I was aiming for the lows beyond these bullish levels, but to be honest, I even said it in the voice chat that I didn't expect price to get lower. I was just following my normal rules. Obviously, I didn't expect price to go lower because we had 3 levels just stacked on top of each other. But as you can see, we got really nice displacement. We ran to that TP3, and this trade overall netted me just under $2,500, which in a few minutes time, I'll take that any day. But something I wanted to add as well, although our main focus was this 1589 level on ES, if you look to my right on NQ, we had another bearish level as well, which kind of contributed. You can kind of tell it was a triple digit 185 level. We had that same reaction. We couldn't close above. We had that bearish candle rejection, and then we saw the same kind of result in price on NQ, the same way we saw in ES. So that obviously helped out a little bit, but overall, you really can't complain on a setup like this. Very simple, very efficient, got us our money in just a few minutes. But yeah, we were just one and done today. I didn't want to get caught in that price action while Trump decided to speak. But yeah, pretty simple today. And like I said, as usual, if you want to trade live with me, that's the first link down below. If you just want the indicator, that's the second link down below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or you can join the free Discord as well, whatever suits you best. But I appreciate y'all tuning in and rocking with me for yet another day. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Tomorrow's my favorite day of the week to trade, Friday. Hopefully we ended off with a strong result. But enjoy y'all's Thursday night, and I'll see you tomorrow.